manufacture a wide range of pharmaceutical products here. For our second liquid line, we were searching for a new labeling and coding machine. I came across the companies Intrex and Domino, who put together an excellent concept for us. Hello, my name is Thorsten Hadwiger. I am a project manager here at Aspen in Bad Oldesloe. Here in the background we have a new machine built by Intrex and integrated with a Domino UV laser. That is responsible for coding the bottom of the bottles, and a Domino thermal transfer printer that dispenses variable data onto the labels. The beauty of this overall concept is that all software is operated via one HMI. On this line, we fill plastic bottles at a speed of 150 bottles per minute, and with the thermal transfer printer here, we print variable data on the labels. Then the labels are applied to the bottles using an Intrex label dispenser on the operator side and on the back. The variable data is checked for correctness by camera systems, and if there are errors, the bottles are rejected, or rather the labels are not applied to the bottles at all. In this machine, a UV laser is integrated, which has provided an excellent coding result with the code on the bottom of the plastic bottles. Intrex specializes in the design, production and implementation of complete solutions for the coding and marking process, which include hardware and software. To allow our customers to control the entire process in a user-friendly manner via one screen, all components are integrated into a single user interface. For this type of integration, modern software communication is crucial, which is why we integrate Domino's printing technologies. When designing a machine, space is always an issue. Fortunately, the U510 is very compact. It doesn't have a separate controller, so everything fits into the safety enclosure. This has made integration on this line much easier. At Domino, it is important to us to always find the best solution for each application, which is why we make samples in our sample lab. All our customers are warmly invited to take advantage of this service. We have been working with Domino for a long time, and we have implemented various projects with CO2 lasers and thermal transfer printers together. The new UV laser has achieved excellent results for coding the bottom of the bottles. Overall, we are very satisfied with the collaboration with Intrex and Domino to allow us to receive a complete package from a single source.